Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11, beginning at Alabama Mile 194. We're in Etowah County, coming out of the city of Attala and entering the town of Reese City, which had a population of 615 as of the 2020 census. In October 1884, the first post office was established here, marking the beginning of a settlement known as Hill. However, in 1903, the settlement's name was changed to Reeseville in honor of one of its early settlers. Reeseville remained an unincorporated community until early 1956, when a group initiated efforts to incorporate the town. A survey was conducted among residents living within a 6-mile radius to gauge their interest in becoming part of the incorporated town. In May 1956, the incorporation was approved by voters, leading to the renaming of the town as Reese City. Following the incorporation, the town made several advancements. A city hall was constructed, a water system was established, and a contract was made with Alabama Gas Corporation to provide gas services. Additionally, a volunteer fire department was set up to ensure the safety of the community. Here we see a junction with the northern terminus of Alabama State Route 211, a short highway which runs back southeast into Gadsden. We pass under I-59, moving back to the east side of the interstate. This crossing has no interchange with Highway 11. We enter the unincorporated community of Keener here. The community derived its name from George W. Keener, a generous donor who contributed towards the establishment of a station along the Alabama Great Southern Railroad. Keener was an area where iron ore mining took place in the past, and it boasted various amenities such as a sawmill, 2 cotton gins, 5 general stores, and a school. Initially, a post office operated under the name Greenwood from 1870 to 1888, and later it was renamed Keener, operating as such from 1888 to 1954. On the right is a historical marker signifying the spot where William Lewis Moore, a civil rights activist protesting segregation, was gunned down in 1963. Moore was a mail carrier who was walking from Chattanooga, Tennessee toward Jackson, Mississippi. Moore was on his way to deliver a letter urging then Mississippi Governor Ross Barnett to accept integration. We conclude today's video at mile marker 208. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.